Greetings radio people, welcome once again to the shack. I wanted a quick video today to share a piece of complete and utter insanity with you that I thought you might kind of like. I wanted to make a display that would sit in the shack and tell me what the current solar data is, and by that I mean the solar flux, the A index, the K index, that kind of gubbins. And I found this project here called Web2LCD on a website by somebody called Variable Industries. And I don't know who this individual is, but their code is on GitHub, and this sort of does what I wanted to, but kind of not quite, primarily because it uses an old-fashioned LCD, and it allows you to download one set of data from the internet and display it, but I wanted to just probably display a bunch of different things. So we're kind of talking about the Internet of Things, we're kind of talking about web-connected devices and all those scary kind of things. Now, what I also found is this is an XML feed that's available from hamqsl.com, and this is updated however often it's updated, and you can point an internet connected device at this and you can download the solar flux and the A index and the K index and all of the kind of things I wanted, plus the band conditions. So I thought, this is kind of interesting. So I nicked some code from this guy whose project and his code is available on GitHub, but I also modified it quite significantly. So what bits did I use? Let's have a quick look. So I used one of these. These are called a BME 280. This will read in temperature and pressure, so it's kind of like an electronic barometer, I suppose, if you like. I used one of these, which is an ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, but it's more than a Wi-Fi module because it also includes a microprocessor, a microcontroller, so you don't need anything else other than this to run software, connect to the internet, connect to other devices, do clever stuff. And I used one of my favorite ILA 9341 displays, primarily because I think they're kind of gorgeous. This is how it's wired up. There's a Fritzing diagram here. I'll link it in below. You can pause the video, do whatever you want. If you wanted to create one of these, this is how it's wired up. And then the final thing to show you is the screen. So what this software does, it rattles around collecting data either locally or from the internet, and it displays 3 different screens. It swaps screens every 2 minutes, displays atmospheric data, so the temperature and the pressure. It displays solar flux, A index, K index. These are color coded depending on the values. And it also displays band conditions, again color coded based on the conditions. Now there's a bunch of code which I'll link in. I've made it very clear at the top that a lot of it's stolen from that Variable Industries project. I have changed it quite significantly though. You could adapt this significantly though. You could change this to connect to the news feed, you could connect to whatever XML feed you want. I'd really like to encourage you to have a bash at making one of these, connect to the internet, download some data, display it locally. The clever thing about this code from Variable Industries is that you don't need to put your Wi-Fi data in here. You upload it without the Wi-Fi data. It creates a wireless hotspot. I connected to it with my phone. There's a quick HTML page you can connect to where you enter your local network SSID password. It saves it in the EEPROM of the microcontroller, and then it connects, and it automatically connects itself last time. Fairly simple project, bit of fun, fairly simple to wire up and wire together. I'll create some links down below so you can have a go at it, but I'm really pleased with it. It's a really neat display. Tells me what the bands are like, tells me what the solar flux is, and tells me how hot or otherwise it is in the shack, and it's an electronic barometer. What could be simpler?